Sangonani, Pastor Winning lo ufuna ukukhuluma nje ukuthi how to survive unemali encane. Still university, college, uyasebenza but awukho ekhaya away and you don't have enough money. Okay, yabo ngathenga nali container lani lo yogurt phakathi ngadla lo yogurt maqedwe udla yogurt. I kept it for reuse. For now ngisebenzisa ukuphuza amanzi, ngiphuza drink, ngiphuza juice ngalo. Ngiphuze netiye ekuseni. 4 things. Anything that is liquid, I use this container for free. It was free because I bought the yogurt and I right? And I use it. I reuse it. With drinking, 10 rand again. Uthi nje isivalo nyana kancane yaphuza ekuseni ntambama. Okay. Tara 30 rand la. So yabo just to survive. Ngithatha 5 or 6 ekuseni, 5 or 6 emini, 5 or 6 ntambama just to survive yabo. Azongithatha inyanga or 3 weeks. Some other necessities. Right. Other necessities. Yeah. So now must survive. I don't know if it's less than 300 rand. So, but it's only a month, a whole month, whole full month. Yeah. So I'm going to refreshing in general, guys. It's the survival of the smartest. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, share my videos, guys. Whatever if you say, amen. Shop.